Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video we have learned using the word pad part 2. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now in this video we will study about using the paint. In this chapter we will learn how to begin working in paint. Different tools available in paint. Using toolbox in paint to draw a picture. Students, we all love to draw and paint our imagination. Let us draw a Christmas tree on a paper. Follow the steps here to draw the tree. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3 and Step 4. Now you can draw your own tree and color it. The things required to draw and paint on a paper are brushes, colors, pencils, paper, etc. But we can draw and paint easily on a computer. A computer has a program where you can draw and color pictures. It is called MS Paint. It is a program which helps us to draw various things like flowers, fruits, objects, sceneries, etc. How to start MS Paint? Follow these steps to start working in paint. Number 1, click on the start button. Number 2, select all programs. Number 3, click on accessories. A list of options appear. Number 4, click on the MS Paint option. The MS Paint window will appear. Look at the components of a MS Paint window. Ribbon. The ribbon contains all the drawing tools that are required to make a drawing. These are the tools that you need to draw and color it, like pencil, line, oval, rectangle, eraser and many more. It even contains a variety of colors to choose from. Drawing area. You draw in the drawing area of the paint window. You can use the drawing and coloring tools to do so. Pencil tool. This is used to draw very thin lines, just like you use pencils to draw on paper. By using a pencil tool, various types of freehand drawing can be drawn. To use these tools, click on the pencil tool. By selecting the pencil tool, you can choose the color you want. Bring the pencil onto the drawing area. Left click the mouse and hold it down as long as you want, according to the length of the line. Move the mouse as per your requirement. When you want to stop, leave the mouse. Selecting the eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase unwanted drawing which you do not want to keep. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Bring the eraser on one part which we want to remove from the drawing. By pressing the left mouse button, you can start erasing. Release the mouse when you want to stop. You can change the size of the eraser by selecting the size from the setting box. Selecting the Fill with Color tool. You can color your picture using Fill with Color tool. You can choose the colors that you want from the colors palette given on the ribbon. Any drawing space can be filled with the color you want by using the Fill with Color tool. You can select the Fill with Color tool, then select the color you want from the color palette. Let us see how we can fill the shapes given below. Select the Fill with Color tool from the ribbon. Select the color you want from the color palette. Bring the paint bucket to the space where you want to fill the color. Left click on the space you want to color. You will find that the closed area or shape gets filled in with the color of your choice. Left click on space you want to color. Line tool. You can make straight and slanting lines using the line tool. Click on the line tool and select a color from the color palette. Take the pointer to the drawing area. Click the left button and drag it to make a line. Release the mouse when a line is made. Draw a polygon. Click the polygon tool and draw a line AB. Define a point C and click on it. Line BC of a polygon will be drawn. In the same manner, click at point D. Click on a point twice to get the required polygon. Some other special tools which we can use while drawing objects. Pick color tool. Used to select the color for our drawing. Magnifier glass tool. Used to increase the size of our drawing. Airbrush tool. Used for spray painting. Text tool. Used for type letters, numbers and symbols. Oval tool. You can make circular or oval shapes using the oval tool. Select the oval tool and color from the color palette. Drag the mouse in the drawing area to draw a circle. Release the mouse when a circle is made. Now let us begin drawing in paint. Follow the steps given below to draw a house in paint. On the ribbon, choose a shape, say rectangle, to begin drawing a house. Click and drag the mouse to draw a rectangle in the drawing area as shown below. Select the line tool. Draw the slanting lines above the rectangle. This will look like the roof of the house. Using the line tool, draw the chimney and door of the house. You can draw windows of the house using the rectangle tool and the sun using the oval tool. Draw clouds around the house with the pencil tool. Click on the Fill with Color tool. Select any color from the color palette and click inside the drawing you want to color. You may select other colors to make a colorful drawing. Care must be taken that no gaps are left while drawing, or else the color might spill out. How to save a picture in Paint. To save your work in Paint, follow the steps given below. Number 1, click on the Paint button. Number 2, click on the Save or Save As option. Number 3, the Save As dialog box appears. Number 4, type the file name in the File Name box. Number 5, click on the Save button. Students, now you know. To start the Paint program, select Start button, click on All Programs, click on Accessories, then click on Paint. The Paint window has the ribbon and drawing area. The ribbon has different tools that are used in Paint for performing different functions. You can save the picture that you draw using the Paint button. Paint is a program that helps to draw and color on a computer monitor. Ribbon is the area on Paint window where all the drawing and coloring tools are given. Drawing area is the area on Paint window where you can draw and color. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.